Hey folks, I want to do a quick review on this Watco Rejuvenating Oil, and been using this stuff probably about, I don't know, probably over 10 years. Not this can of it, I just got this new can, but I wanted to show you what I use it for. In our kitchen, we've got these cherry cabinets, but as you can see, like right through here, over the years, they've gotten a little bit where the finish is kind of worn there. You can see on some of the drawers, it's just a little bit worn there. And even up on the upper cabinets, sometimes the finish has gotten a little bit worn right there, like this is up over top of the the stove, and where it has maybe a little bit of humidity or something up there. And so where this really comes in handy, I've already dipped this towel in some of it, but you can just put a little bit of that on there and apply it here. And you're supposed to leave it on there about 10 minutes and let that cure. Now it looks a little glossy now because of course it's wet, but it will set up or cure out, and and then you would just come back and wipe it off, and it lasts a long time. I'm gonna say probably 3 or 4 years. You may have to come back and do that. I have the same finish. These are custom-made cabinets, so I have the same finish in our bathroom, and the bathroom, of course, takes a little bit more abuse in there just because of the humidity from the shower or the tub. You know, it's just a little bit harsher environment in the bathroom, and so I have to treat some of the drawers, vanities, things like that a little bit more often. But in the kitchen, this stuff works great. As a matter of fact, I can, obviously it hadn't been 10 minutes, but I just want to dry this off. I can show you what it looks like there, but you don't really have to take the old finish off. You don't have to sand it down, and doesn't really have a lot of odor. It has a little bit of odor, but it's nothing that's gonna, you know, run you out of the house or anything. And it's as you can see there, you know, back to new, and I think it looks really nice. And you know, the stuff doesn't cost that much, and you can get your cabinets looking, you know, pretty nice. So if you have, I haven't tried it out on any other wood furniture. I just mainly use it in my kitchen and bathroom, but I'm assuming that you could use it on any, you know, hardwood. You just have to get some, read the directions. But anyway, I hope this helps if you're on the fence deciding whether to buy it. All right, thanks for watching.